Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a beat hella fast. So I got a sound already, but I don't know what I'm going to do from here. All I'm going to do is set the metronome timer on for a second, record, let's go. Okay, let's see what that is. Made the mistake right there. Keep it in there. Turn this off. Add a hat. Hope you enjoyed that. My intention is just to show you how to do and how to make like a foundational beat in like less than 3 minutes, so you can get going. If you're in the studio, you need some ideas, you need some somebody needs you to like work out something real fast. You could just start with a basic idea. Usually that'll get the artist going. And this is also for busy people. If you don't have that much time to do beats, I help thousands of producers, and a lot of them tell me that they just don't have time. Well, you have 4 minutes, you got 5 minutes, and it's not about this being a finished, completed beat. I know, we know, everyone knows this isn't just the end, right? You can't, I mean, some might, but you can't necessarily just do a beat in like 4 minutes and expect it to do anything. A lot of people might work on the melody for an hour or 2 hours, 3 hours. The intention for this is just to get you started, to get you going, to break out of any rut. If you're doing beats this fast, who has time for creator's block or writer's block or beat block, whatever you call it. So I hope this helped you out. Let me know what other help you might need. Write them in the comments. Write any beat tips you got in the comments, any FL Studio tips in the comments. Suplex that like button. It really helps the channel. And make sure you subscribe. And I hope you're having a great day. I'll holler at you later.